Introduction: Effective legal strategies for removing collection accounts. Have collection accounts holding your credit hostage? In this video, I'll show you how to legally remove them using a foolproof strategy that can work in as little as 7 days. If you are solely disputing collection accounts through the credit bureaus without leveraging consumer law and factual dispute strategies, you are likely encountering slower and less effective results. This report will outline a systematic process for removing collection accounts through a combination of legal leverage and factual disputes, enabling you to challenge inaccuracies and hold creditors accountable for reporting errors. Footnote: This section introduces the importance of combining consumer law with factual dispute strategies for a more effective approach to removing collection accounts. What are collections and their impact on your credit? A collection account occurs when a debt has been charged off by the original creditor and subsequently sold or assigned to a third-party debt collector. Collection accounts are among the most damaging items on a credit report. However, it is essential to understand that collection accounts do not need to remain on your credit report for the full 7 years if they are inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable. Under both the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, and the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, debt collectors are obligated to remove these accounts if they fail to prove their validity or report incorrect data. Footnote: This section defines what collection accounts are and emphasizes the legal rights consumers have to challenge and remove these accounts when they are inaccurate or unverifiable. Legal framework: the FCRA and FDCPA. Two critical laws govern the removal of collection accounts: the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA. 1. FCRA, Section 611 grants consumers the right to dispute any item that is inaccurate, incomplete, outdated, or unverifiable. Additionally, Section 607B mandates that credit bureaus ensure maximum possible accuracy in their reports. 2. FDCPA, Section 609 requires debt collectors to validate any debt upon request. They must cease reporting the debt if they fail to provide adequate validation and must suspend all collection activities during the validation process. By combining the FCRA and FDCPA, you gain powerful legal leverage to dispute and remove collection accounts that cannot be fully validated or are reporting inaccurate information. Footnote: This section highlights the legal basis provided by the FCRA and FDCPA for disputing and removing collection accounts, emphasizing the rights to challenge inaccurate or unverifiable debts. Common errors in reporting collection accounts. When disputing collection accounts, it is essential to carefully examine your credit reports for common reporting errors. These errors often create factual inaccuracies that can justify a deletion request. Key errors to look for include: 1. Balance reporting after charge-off. Collection accounts should not continue reporting balances after they have been charged off. 2. Incorrect or missing data. This includes missing first delinquency dates or incomplete information about the debt. 3. Inconsistent open dates. Open dates may differ across the 3 credit bureaus, which creates inconsistencies. 4. Status misreporting. Accounts that should be closed may be marked as open, which is inaccurate. 5. Duplicate collections. The same account may be listed more than once, which is a violation of reporting standards. 6. Payment history after charge-off. Reporting payment activity after the account has been charged off is typically inaccurate and legally questionable. Each of these errors provides a solid basis for dispute and potential removal under consumer protection laws. Footnote: This section identifies common errors in the reporting of collection accounts and explains how these errors can serve as the basis for legal disputes and deletions. Step-by-step process to dispute collection accounts. 1. Send a debt validation letter. Under FDCPA Section 809, you have the right to request validation of any debt. Your letter should demand the original signed contract, a chain of assignment from the original creditor to the collector, an itemized breakdown of the balance, and proof that the collector is licensed to collect in your state. If they fail to provide this information or respond in a timely manner, they cannot legally continue reporting the debt. 2. Send factual disputes to the credit bureaus. Dispute the collection directly with the credit bureaus, highlighting the factual errors identified earlier. Use precise language and avoid generic dispute templates. For example, state, "This account is inaccurately reporting a balance after charge-off or the date of first delinquency is missing." The more specific you are, the more likely the bureau will delete the account rather than re-verify it. 3. Include supporting documentation. Strengthen your case by attaching any relevant supporting documentation, such as payment letters or settlement confirmations. This ensures a more thorough investigation. 4. Track response times and follow-up. You are legally entitled to a response within 30 days. If the collector or credit bureau does not respond within this time frame, or if they respond with incomplete information, you can escalate the issue. Follow-up options include submitting a stronger dispute, filing a complaint with the CFPB, or issuing a notice of intent to sue if your rights under the FCRA or FDCPA have been violated. Footnote: This section outlines the specific steps to dispute collection accounts, including debt validation, sending factual disputes, providing documentation, and tracking responses to ensure compliance with legal requirements. Final reminders: knowledge is power. Collection agencies often rely on consumers' lack of knowledge regarding consumer law to maintain negative accounts on credit reports. By using the FCRA and FDCPA effectively, you can hold debt collectors and credit bureaus accountable for any inaccuracies or violations. Always dispute using facts, leverage the law, and be precise in your communication. By doing so, you increase your chances of successfully removing negative collection accounts and improving your credit score. Footnote: This section stresses the importance of leveraging consumer law and factual disputes to hold collection agencies accountable, providing a key advantage for successful credit repair. Now that you know the legal steps to remove collection accounts, don't wait any longer. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insider tips on fixing your credit and reclaiming your financial freedom.